Have you ever imagined a tea so powerful that it can naturally relieve pain and fight inflammation? Today, I am going to share a special recipe that could transform your health. And believe me, in just 7 days, you might notice a significant difference in your body. This tea is simple to make, uses ingredients you might not even realize are so effective, and could be the missing piece in your routine. Stay with me until the end because I will share a bonus tip to enhance the effects of this recipe even further. Let me know in the comments where you are listening from. It is always amazing to see how far these tips can travel. Here is the recipe. You will need 5 dried bay leaves, known for their anti-inflammatory and relaxing properties. Add 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, a powerful ingredient that improves circulation and fights inflammation in the body. Finally, use 1 teaspoon of pure honey, which not only sweetens the tea but also has antimicrobial properties and helps strengthen the immune system. The preparation is straightforward. Boil 250 milliliters of water. Once it reaches a boil, turn off the heat and add the bay leaves and cinnamon. Cover the pot and let the mixture steep for about 5 minutes to release all the active compounds. Then strain the liquid and let it cool to a comfortable temperature for drinking. If desired, add the honey before consuming. I recommend drinking this tea twice a day. The first dose can be in the morning to start the day with more energy and less pain, and the second at night to relax your body and prepare for a good night's sleep. Now let us understand why this recipe is so effective. Bay leaves contain compounds like cineol and tannins, which have natural anti-inflammatory properties and help relax the muscles. Cinnamon is rich in antioxidants that combat free radicals and promote blood circulation, reducing pain and discomfort. Honey, in addition to being a natural sweetener, helps strengthen the immune system and improve the body's response to inflammation. Let me share a quick story to illustrate. A friend of mine, who struggled with constant knee pain, decided to try this recipe after I shared it. In just 4 days, he started noticing that his pain had decreased significantly, and after a week he told me he felt much better and had more energy to go about his daily activities. Now, here's the bonus tip. To enhance the effects of this tea, you can massage the painful area using slightly warmed coconut oil. Apply the oil in gentle circular motions. This will help improve local circulation and further alleviate muscle or joint pain. If you know another natural recipe, share it in the comments as well. Who knows? It might be featured in the next video. I hope you enjoyed this. Do not forget to follow the channel for more content like this, and I will see you in the next one. Together we can build a healthier, lighter life with less pain.